Do you want to get what you want 10 times faster in your life? If you are struggling to get like faster results or implement the strategies, or you are getting confused कि क्या implement करे क्या नहीं implement करे क्या steps होना चाहिए to do anything, like anything in your life, in even though marketing, your personal life, it can be anything. In this lesson basically I'm going to discuss about how to get what you want 10 times faster using this ultimate formula which I have recently revealed, recently learned, I am personally implementing, and I am going to share with you. No matter what you are doing in your life, wherever you are, if you think you need that precise formula to get amazing faster results in your marketing, in your sales, in your business, in your life, watch this video till then. Okay guys, my name is Datta Tule. I'm a digital growth expert and entrepreneur. I'm going to share behind the scenes strategy I learned from my mentor and I'm personally practicing. Okay, watch this video. Now let me take you on my screen quickly here कि हम लोग क्या cover करने वाले हैं. Before I tell you that one दोस्तों, I personally was struggling कि boss, I was getting a lot of ideas, lot of thought process every day कि बॉस नया कैंपेन मार्केटिंग का लॉन्च करना है, नया वीडियो लॉन्च करना है, आई वांट टू स्टार्ट बिल्ड न्यू प्रोडक्ट, न्यू सॉल्यूशन, हायर द टीम, एंड सो मेनी थिंग्स वेर देयर, बट आई वाज कंफ्यूज कि सीक्वेंस में कैसे करना है टू रीच दैट गोल, कि टॉप पे क्या होना चाहिए, मीडियम में क्या होना चाहिए, राइट नाउ क्या करना है. तो बेसिकली टू क्लैरिटीज, व्हाट यू वांट एंड हाउ यू वांट. ओके, सो लेट मी टेक यू ऑन माय स्क्रीन. हियर वी गो. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, जैसे कि आप मेरे स्क्रीन के ऊपर देख रहे हो यहाँ पे, लाइक माई न्यूएस्ट सीक्रेट स्ट्रैटेजी टू गेट फास्टर रिजल्ट्स एंड 10 टाइम फास्टर ग्रोथ. सो इंटेंशन क्या है हमारा? हाउ टू गेट रिजल्ट व्हाट यू वांट 10 टाइम फास्टर. ओके, सो नाउ देयर इज अ अल्टीमेट फॉर्मूला विच आई लर्न फ्रॉम दिस बुक एंड आई विल टेल यू. आई हाईली रिकमेंड दिस बुक कॉल्ड द प्रिंसिपल्स. लाइक बेसिकली ये जो बुक है, प्रिंसिपल बाय रे डेलियो, जबरदस्त बुक है. Life Principle, Work Principle. You can order this book immediately. It's a great book. Okay, you can definitely order कर सकते हो. Now the formula क्या है? So first of all, there is a 5-step formula. 5-step formula दोस्तों, only 5-step formula. I will be giving amazing gifts and invite at end of this video also. The 5-step gift only. So suppose the step number 1, high level big picture. So basically high level big picture in the sense, what do you want? Suppose in this my case, today let me give some recent example here. I was discussing that I want to make 2 million rupees this month, like 20 lakh this month. So now that's my goal. Suppose I want to make 20 lakh rupees this month. That's a big goal, but that is a big picture. Like in your case, what do you want? Ultimate results. It can be anything. Start the business, grow the sales, hire the team, learn something new. It can be anything. So first step is high level picture. So might be like in this case I'm telling you here कि for example I want to dominate marketing online, or I want to dominate online marketing. Okay, so basically आपका ऑलरेडी ऑफलाइन बिजनेस है, you want to dominate online. हर किसी का बिजनेस होता है कि मुझे 10x रिजल्ट चाहिए, 10x सेल करने हैं. आपका वो बिग लेवल पिक्चर है आपका in as an organization, as an entrepreneur. But how do you reach that one? I will be giving some steps. This is too wide. If you go to कि boss, first step क्या होना चाहिए to do that one? Might be I'm giving some example. You can use this formula anywhere. मैं आपको यहाँ पे एक example दे रहा हूँ only for like it, fill in the blank, whatever you want. It can be anything like increase sales, grow sales, happy relationships, have a better relationship with your wife, husband. It can be anything. But I'm talking about, for example, marketing. As a marketing expert, I'm talking about this one. I want to dominate marketing online. My big picture, a big goal है. Now second step, suppose subordinate concept. Now टू रीच दैट गोल मेरा एक सब टॉपिक क्या हो सकता है, सब एक्शन क्या हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे बता था कि आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम अ हाई परफॉर्मर मार्केटर. टू डोमिनेट ऑनलाइन मार्केटिंग, एवरी एंटरप्रेन्योर हैज टू बी become a good marketer, for example. Or if you want to become a great, you want to have great relationships. So what do you need to become? You need to become a, for example, good taker of your family, loved ones, husband, wife, बच्चे. It can be कुछ भी हो सकता है. In this case, suppose मेरा big picture है, I want to dominate online marketing. So subordinate concept, I want to become a high performer marketer. ये मेरा सब concept है कि I need to become something, right, to do that one. Now third step दोस्तों, sub point. Sub point आपको क्या मतलब, what is the baby step, हमें क्या लेना पड़ेगा? For example, in this case, I need to find a good mentor and learning online marketing. It's your next step. First was like I want to dominate online marketing. Too wide. उतना कहने से कुछ होने वाला है क्या? Nothing will happen. But you go precise, boss. I want to become a high performer marketer. Now, sub point, I need to find a good mentor or learning online, attend webinar, attend workshop. Might be that is sub at sub point. Now, to do that one, use sub point. To do that one, what do you need to do? I need to learn Facebook marketing strategies. For example, sub point. Suppose now in India, suppose Facebook is the leading platform, and you want to learn that one. For example, mastering the strategy. That is your sub point. And to do that one immediately, sub point. Sub point, I need to register for my program or start learning, attend somebody's webinar or workshop, enroll for the program or anything. If you see here, the big step, like you need to have big goal. Might be in you might be having, you want to like grow your sales online. Okay, you want to grow your sales. You want to like, suppose this month you want to 10x your sales. Now sub point, it can be anything, like you want to check, like you want to increase your marketing budget, you want to have a meetings or do the too many callings for that one. Sub point, it can be anything. Find the good team members or sales talent and assign them tasks. Sub point, right now schedule the calls or do the webinar. It can be anything. And sub point, start doing it. But if you see there, this formula apply anything. Big level picture, subordinate, sub concept, sub basic action क्या, go precise, and sub point basically be specific कि आप क्या करने वाले. In this case मैंने बोला कि I need to find mentor and good learning. Sub point, I need to learn, suppose specific क्या चीज़ आपको learn करना है, mention that one and find somebody online, do that one. Okay, if you think you can use this formula anywhere, जहाँ पे भी आप, no matter personal life, business, Facebook, it can be anything. आप कहीं पे भी कौन सा भी आपका गोल रहने दो, use this formula and you will reach. Otherwise, if you don't follow this formula, you will have, I want to make a lot of money, I want to go to the world tour, I want to get 10x sales, I want to grow my business by 10x. It's a too big goals, but उसको आपको ऐसे segregate करना पड़ेगा, like high level, big picture, sub-bonded concept, sub point, and again sub point कि आप अभी right now क्या करने वाले हैं. Right, so you can use this formula. If you think this is the amazing formula, you can use anywhere and it can be amazing. Okay, if you love something from this video, you can share your comment box below. Okay, how was the formula? Implement that one. This is how you can get 10x faster results. I mean to say 10x faster result in the sense you find some ideas and break down in this 5 step and you will reach that goal immediately. Because I strongly believe to reach any goal or any action, बेबी स्टेप बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आपका बड़ा गोल होगा तो उसको कट डाउन करो इन द बाइट साइज चंक एंड स्टार्ट फॉलोइंग सब पॉइंट एक्शंस. जैसे मैंने बोला कि आपको यू आर नो मैटर यू आर एंटरप्रेन्योर, ट्रेनर, कोच, कंसल्टेंट, स्टूडेंट, हाउस वाइफ, नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग, बिजनेस, वट एवर यू आर in case you want to build a business and you want to grow online or you want to master Facebook ads or you want to grow in personal life, whatever you are doing, write that goal. Then write this, answer this 4 question like क्या आपको बेसिक सब क्या बनना पड़ेगा, like subordinate concept, sub point, sub point, and what exactly baby step you are going to take. Okay guys, if you learn this concept, if you think this is a powerful, and you can just share your learning below. Besides that one, let me ask you this question. What is the biggest challenge you are facing in your business and life right now? Share the comment below. If you are watching on the YouTube, share the in description comments what kind of video you would like to learn from me to get the faster results. And also if you want to learn, like learn your if you want to learn how to get quality leads, sales, dominate online, master the Facebook ads, then perhaps this my workshop is for you. You can go to dattatul.co/formula, check the details below and be there live. I would like to see. Also, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Also please subscribe to my channel because I will be adding this kind of videos and lesson every week to help you master the online business or entrepreneurship or personal development or Facebook ads and become a great in your life. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I'm looking forward to see you in the upcoming video or upcoming live workshop. Do not forget to share your top 3 learning below this video and implement this learning guys. Okay, thank you very much. Also I recommended this book to you, The Principle. You can search online or I will give the link in description. You can check more details and do that. Okay guys, thank you very much. Dattatule signing off for today. I am a digital growth consultant and Facebook ad expert, helping over thousands of entrepreneurs right now in India to dominate online marketing, become a high performer marketer, entrepreneurs, and achieve business goals, life goals, marketing goals, guys. Okay, thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe, but never stop learning. Until we meet again, be there. Dhanyawad. Thank you very much.